Why would you spend all this time and effort building up an online business that could be just taken away from you for legal issues like that because you didn't follow the rules? Hey, this is Leah Ray from ToddandLeahRay.com, and in this video, I'm going to help you understand what are some of the legal issues that you need to be aware of as an affiliate marketer. Because yes, there are some legal things that you need to know so that you can create a stable, long-term business that you can, pay your mortgage with, feed your kids with, that's going to be there, and you don't get in trouble with the FTC. Now, the FTC governs folks here in America. The Federal Trade Commission, it sets up the rules, the laws that we need to follow whenever we're advertising online, offline, wherever. Now, what they say is that whenever you're providing your affiliate link, you need to disclose that you will receive a commission if someone makes a purchase. Think about a video on YouTube. Maybe it's a review video where people are reviewing a software program or something like that. And in that video, they make it sound really good because they have an affiliate link and they want to make money with it. That's essentially what the FTC wants to warn consumers about. Consumers need very easily understand that that person is going to make money if they purchase. So that content, that video could be skewed because they want to make money. So that's sort of the bigger picture of why they're doing this. They want the consumer to be informed and to get good, honest information. So they want people to disclose whenever they're going to get paid, especially if they're doing review videos or anything like that where they're making a recommendation. Now, the FTC requires that your disclosure must meet 4 basic requirements: frequent, clear, conspicuous, and require no additional scrolling or clicks for the user to locate that disclosure. So what does that actually mean? Well, number 1, frequency. So frequent, it needs to be frequent. The disclosure needs to appear on every page that has a review, a promotion, or an affiliate link. Number 2, clear. Your disclosure needs to be immediately clear to the consumer. When they are consuming your content, they need to be informed that you will earn money from that content so that they can factor that into your information. So if you're doing a video that leads to an affiliate offer, say maybe a tutorial or a review video about your email autoresponder software, you need to make sure that you say in the video that it's your affiliate link, and yes, if you choose to purchase, I will make some commissions from it. So you should say it in the video, not just have it in your description. Number 3, conspicuous. The disclosure must be easy to see, distinct, and unavoidable. Starting it with something like disclosure is a good idea, and if it was me, I would definitely always put it in capital letters. To be extra safe, in addition to verbalizing the disclosure in your videos, it's a good idea to add a disclosure to your upload defaults for your channel. Just as another way to help keep you safe. So on your upload defaults for your channel, just make sure that's where you put the disclosure, so each and every single video that you do will have it. If you open up our description, if you're on desktop, you have to hit see more, or if you're on mobile, you hit that little caret to get the whole description. Scroll towards the bottom of our description. You see an example of what we're currently using as an upload default. Now, if I'm also doing a specific video that's a direct review or anything like that, I will be putting it up further as well in the description so they don't have to scroll. But it's sort of just another safe thing that you can do so that all of your videos have it. Number 4, require no action. Make sure that your disclosure doesn't require users to click on links that take them to other pages that explain the disclosure, or excessively scroll down to the very bottom of a page. If you're using a blog post for affiliate marketing, you should include within the text of the blog post, so like a parentheses after your link explaining it, not just at the bottom of the page. Now, I want you to understand, I am not a lawyer, so don't take this as legal advice. This is just my takeaway from reading the FTC regulations as an affiliate marketer. So you can go directly to the FTC website to get further information, or even contact a lawyer with an expertise in this area if you have any questions. Now, I will have a link to the FTC document on this. You open up the description, not the first link, but further down. If you want to head over to their website, see what they're saying directly, you can click on that link, it'll take you there. Now, if you want to learn more about how to be successful with affiliate marketing, click the link, top link in the description, to get some amazing training that's going to put you on the direct path to success. Now, please know this channel here is all about helping you create the time freedom that you and your family deserve. So if this is the very first video you're finding of ours, you gotta subscribe, hit the bell for notifications so that we can help you create that time freedom. Again, this is Leah Ray from ToddandLeahRay.com. If you are sticking around on YouTube, watch the video on the upper right corner of the screen. Watch that one next, and I'll see you soon.